Hello, lovely soul! Welcome po sa ating guided affirmations for self-love. Ngayon ay i-reprogram natin ang ating isipan sa pamamagitan ng powerful affirmations na ito for self-love. Ang affirmations ay nakakatulong po sa atin na magbuo ng panibagong thoughts patterns sa ating isipan. Sa pamamagitan ng paulit-ulit na pakikinig or pagbibigkas ng affirmation na ito, ay makakabuo tayo ng bagong neural pathways sa ating utak. Makaka-create tayo ng bagong positibong thought patterns and maaaring mapalitan nito ang negative thought patterns na mayroon tayo. Maaari mong pakinggan ang audio na ito for 21 days. At gawin mo ito pagkagising mo sa umaga, i-affirm mo ang affirmation na ito or pakinggan mo. Maaari mo rin itong gawin bago ka matulog. Babanggitin ko ang affirmation na ito ng 2 beses. Maaari mo akong sabayan or makinig sa affirmation na ito. I am protected. I am protected. I am enough. I am enough. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of love. I am accepting myself unconditionally. I am accepting myself unconditionally. I am abundance. I am abundance. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of abundance. I am confident. I am confident. I am kind to others. I am kind to others. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am capable. I am capable. I am courageous. I am courageous. I am love. I am love. I am strong. I am strong. I am surrounded by love. I am surrounded by love. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am in control. I am in control. I am light. I am light. I am guided. I am guided. I am wonderful. I am wonderful. I am amazing. I am amazing. I am love. I am love. I am loving. I am loving. I am one with the universe. I am one with the universe. I am compassionate. I am compassionate. I am kind. I am kind. I am love.